Hello everyone, welcome to MIS376 or Marketing 378 class. This is summer 2020 semester. The name of the course is Business Analytics. I'm your professor, Dr. Taewei Wang. This video is only a welcome message. I would like to thank you for signing up these classes in a very special time and a special semester. We are using the Canvas as our delivery system for the first time at UIS. And also we have a very special pandemics going on in the world. So I'm delivering all my classes through my office in DeKalb, Illinois. This is my home office. In this video, I'd like to introduce a little bit about myself. I have been teaching at UIS since 2005. Before that, I worked for 5 years at Florida International University, and I was an assistant professor there. And before that, I was a student at the PhD program in Southern Illinois University. I was originally from Taiwan, but I spent most of my life in the United States already. And I speak three languages other than English. I speak Chinese, that is my native language, and I also speak some Spanish because I have a lot of colleagues and I work a little bit in Colombia, South America. And in my professional career, I've been professor for most of my time, but I also, in my free time, I work as a consultant for several companies already. Between year 2010 and 2015, I worked for a business intelligence company from Taiwan, and my main job is to deliver or to design education material to educate my client and our customer support personnel for using database and data analytic related software. And I think I'm qualified to design and deliver these classes. As a matter of fact, I'm the professor designing this course, and this is only the second time we try to deliver the course. And I would be honestly telling you that the course is still under continuous improvement, and a lot of new stuff will be um, added to the courses. Beside my professional career, I do have a lot of interest. In recent year, I've been doing long distance running, and the picture you see on the slide is the Berlin Marathon that I ran last year. Unfortunately, it looked like I have no marathon to run anytime soon in this year or next year. We'll see what happens, but hopefully that it give us more time to focus on learning and actually perfect our knowledge in business analytics. And business analytics, for those of you probably already know, very important, and I hope you enjoy the time we have in this particular semester. The most important thing in a online class is about communications. In summer 2020, now that we have adopted a new learning system at UIS, it's called Canvas. So what you are seeing here is all delivered through Canvas. And of course, I will try to make the video available on YouTube as well. But because the video will not be the main source of learning, and I still need to as well learn how to use this particular system more effectively. We'll try to achieve learning, business analytics, and the learning system all together in a very short summer semester. So the most important thing in such an intense learning is that you need to communicate very well with me. The best way to communicate with me in a asynchronous course is through email. And the email you can see on the slide is showing up there for you. You can also, of course, call me using the phone number that I have on this particular slide. If you cannot write it down, don't worry that you will find this number on your syllabus and on your Canvas as well. So all the information will be available to you in digital format. Other than using email or phone number, you can also reach me through our virtual office hour. In this summer session, we will be using Zoom as our virtual office hour. My intention to use office hour as a checkpoint to help you to resolve some of the problem you might have when you are working on your assignment in particular. The assignment is a live assignment. What do I mean by live assignment? I do have do have the whole semester assignment planned before the semester start, but because this is a new course and I'm still adding new assignment into this course, so you probably see and experience with me some of the new assignment that I have not tried before. So we will try to work on the newest thing together in a way you will learn much more using this format. So I will announce when we will have our first Zoom meeting through the Canvas communication. And most likely will be the day before or the evening before your assignment due for the next day. So stay tuned and I'll send you email to give you more information about communication. In this welcome message, in addition to let you know who you are dealing with, and I would also like to tell you one most important thing. That is that the textbook we will be using. Before the course start today, you probably already received an email from me telling you that what is the textbook and ask you to get a textbook as soon as possible. And again, here is your textbook information. And since we have a very short semester, uh, and textbook is very important in terms of relating to your mm, exam in particular. And exam, of course, are the most important tool for me uh, to to assess your learning and give you a grade. So if you want to perform well, obtain a copy of the textbook is important, I would say. So try as soon as you can to obtain a copy of the textbook. And of course, the best way to obtain a copy of the textbook uh, is immediately is through digital source. Me as your professor, I nowadays I do not use hard copy myself anymore. But if you do prefer a hard copy, you can still find hard copy in various sources from our university bookstore, or you can find the book from Amazon as well. But I would say that try to use a digital copy. This book is available in Kindle. It's available in a couple of the different sources providing digital textbook. So feel free to obtain a copy of the textbook. And I don't mind if you share textbook with your friend as long as your friends are physically close to you so you can share your information together. But again, it's up to you to obtain the textbook. To me, as a professor, to make all the material accessible is important. So usually I would not select a very expensive textbook. But the textbook is getting more and more expensive nowadays. So if you do have trouble obtaining the textbook, try to use the slide as a supplementary sources. I will post all the textbook slide on the learning system, the Canvas. So using that slide, if you are less accessible to the textbook itself. And so that's what I want to tell you in the first 5 minutes of our class. And welcome again, and thank you for your dedication. We will go through the semester together and learn a lot more. The more you communicate with me, the more we will learn. Finally, on the Canvas, there is a place is called the discussion forum. You can also find a area called Professor's Office. If you have any technical question or course related question, I will also encourage you to post information there because all the information posted there will be shared to your classmate. And in this semester, we have 13 of you all together. We will enjoy the learning and go through it very well. And welcome. Thank you.